Our team coverage continues now with our Dave Delosier and a new tool that illustrates the symptoms of concussions. Dave?
Yeah, Susan, you know, it is one thing for a professional athlete like Chris Borland to recognize the dangers of concussions because he's been there and he's seen that. But the challenge is to get youth and high school athletes to understand concussions. Well, a Verona company is at the center of spreading that message.
Concussions have gained traction as newsworthy over the last several years, and because of that, then it brings it up to people's attention.
It is one thing to talk to people about concussions. It is quite another to let them experience what one feels like. Through concussion goggles, Inacorp, a Verona company, is doing just that.
What results in a sense of disorientation, confusion, and if you keep wearing the goggles, you're going to experience some nausea.
The idea behind concussion goggles is to let people experience the symptoms. Yeah. Very quickly, you experience the confusion, the disorientation.
Well, right away, when they put it on, there's just first of all, there's this, whoa, stay on the line, stay on the line.
And because I once had a concussion, I can tell you this. I remember that.
The most telling reaction is people that have had concussions and have put them on and said, wow, that's what it was like. Yeah, you got to try this. This is what I felt like before.
The point to all of this is to get people to recognize the symptoms of a concussion and what they need to do, because concussions don't just happen on the football field. They can happen to you and anywhere.
It's a true accident. You can't always prevent those, but it is important to know what to do if you experience that. And if it isn't you, if it's your friend, take that interest and take that step to say, ooh, you might have a concussion. Let's go talk to somebody about it.
Now included with the concussion goggles, Inacorp has these cards that advise anyone that's suspected of having a concussion to sit, tell, and sit. Just as we know with fires, you're supposed to stop, drop, and roll. Here, they want you to stop the activity, tell someone, and sit out until a doctor clears you to return.
All right, I know Inacorp markets those to, health and youth organizations. A lot to learn about the concussion process. All right, Dave, thank you.
Thanks, Dave.